drowning in leads with no idea where they're coming from. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Callrail and Follow Up Boss in under 90 seconds, so you can kiss marketing guesswork goodbye. First, log into your Callrail account. Navigate to the Integrations tab in the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find Follow Up Boss in the list of available integrations, then click on it. Click the Connect button. This will redirect you to Follow Up Boss to authorize the integration. You'll be prompted to log into your Follow Up Boss account and grant Callrail permission to access your data. Click Allow. Back in Callrail, configure your settings. You can specify how you want call source information to be passed to Follow Up Boss, and determine how leads from different Callrail numbers should be routed within Follow Up Boss. Next, in Callrail, select the tracking numbers you want to send lead data from to Follow Up Boss. That's it. Now, whenever a call comes in through one of your Callrail tracking numbers, a new lead will automatically be created in Follow Up Boss, complete with the call source information. This makes it so easy to track your marketing ROI. Click the link in the description to sign up for Callrail and Follow Up Boss. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy real estate tech tips.